In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Facebook video. Default quality. If your Facebook videos sometimes look blurry or take too long to load, setting a default video quality can help. This quick adjustment lets you decide whether Facebook should prioritize crisp detail or smoother playback that uses less data. Let's walk through it together, step by step, and I'll explain what each choice means so you can pick the right one for your needs. Start by opening Facebook and going to Settings. You're looking for the main settings area where you control preferences for your account and app experience. Once you're in Settings, find and select the Media section. This is where Facebook groups controls related to photos, videos, and how they load and play. Inside Media, look for the option labeled Video Default Quality. You'll see a drop-down menu right next to it. Click that drop-down to reveal the available choices. You'll have three options: Default, SD only, and HD if available. Default means Facebook will decide automatically based on factors like your connection speed, the video's original resolution, and how quickly it can buffer. This is a balanced choice if you want Facebook to manage quality for you without interruptions. SD only stands for standard definition. Choose this if you want videos to play in a lower resolution that uses less data and typically loads faster. It's a good fit if you're on a limited data plan or often watch on a slower connection. HD, if available, tells Facebook to play videos in high definition whenever the video supports it and your connection can handle it. This option gives you sharper detail and a better viewing experience, especially on larger screens, though it may use more data and battery. Select the option that fits your situation best. If you're unsure, start with default and adjust later if you notice too much buffering or if you prefer a consistently higher quality. Once you've made your choice, that's it. Your videos will now play in the selected quality by default. This setting applies whenever you watch videos while signed in, and you can come back to the same media section anytime to change it. Keep in mind that HD playback depends on whether the original video was uploaded in HD and whether your network can support it at that moment. Also, if a video had already started buffering before you changed the setting, you might need to start a new video to see the difference. With this simple tweak, you can take control of your viewing experience, prioritizing clarity, conserving data, or letting Facebook decide for you.